ATAC Strengthens Global Role in 2026. F-16 Escort Aircraft Services for Foreign Military Sales Programs. As we enter 2026, Airborne Tactical Advantage Company, ATAC, is reaffirming its position as a key player in the global defense air services industry. The company, a subsidiary of Textron Systems Incorporated, announced the receipt of an initial task order under a strategic contract with the United States Air Force. The task order falls under the Indefinite Delivery, Indefinite Quantity, IDIQ, contract for combat air services. This contract specifically supports escort services for F-16 fighter aircraft produced for the Foreign Military Sales, FMS, program. Under this agreement, ATAC will provide contractor-owned, contractor-operated COCO aircraft. These aircraft will be used by the U.S. Department of the Air Force's FMS team in support of F-16 production test activities. The potential lifetime value of this contract is approximately $7.82 million. The contract period could last up to 27 months, including a base year and extension options. Flight operations will be based at Donaldson Field in Greenville, South Carolina. From this location, ATAC aircraft will serve as escort aircraft during the F-16's first flight and during product assurance flights prior to delivery to the FMS customer. Although this contract was announced in 2026, flight activities have been planned since August 2025 and are expected to last approximately 2 years. This demonstrates the long-term continuity of cooperation between ATAC and the United States Defense Authorities. The role of escort aircraft in F-16 test and delivery flights is strategically important. Escort aircraft ensure safety, performance monitoring, and system readiness during the critical phases of initial flight and product verification. ATAC is not new to this role. For decades, the company has been recognized as a reliable defense partner, providing adversary air support and close air support services to various branches of the United States military. This contract award also marks ATAC's second contract, specifically dedicated to research, development, test, and evaluation activities. It reflects ATAC's continued expansion into high-strategy market segments. Scott Stacy, Senior Vice President of ATAC, emphasized that his company is an industry leader in air escort services and adversary air training. He highlighted that many of the practices now standard in the contract air services industry stem from ATAC's pioneering innovations. With a fleet of more than 100 aircraft and a combined flight history of over 105,000 hours, ATAC brings 30 years of operational experience to every mission it executes. This track record is a key asset in supporting the F-16 program and other fighter platforms. In addition to Greenville,